Hello students, Standard 5th Subject Mathematics. Chapter 9 Decimal Fractions. Today's topic is writing half, quarter, 3/4 and 1 1/4 in decimal form. Now students, we are going to learn how to write half, quarters, 3/4 and 1 1/4 in decimal form. See here. Half. Half is usually written as 1/2. Here 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. To convert 1/2 into decimal form, the denominator of 1/2 is converted into equivalent fraction with denominator 10. Now for denominator 10, we multiply 2 with 5. 2 5s are 10. And then the denominator is now 10. If 2 multiply with 5, then 1 also multiply with 5. Now 1 5s are 5 and 2 5s are 10. Now denominator is 10. 5/10 is written as 0.5 in decimal form. We can also convert 1/2 in equivalent fraction with denominator 100. For denominator 100, 2 multiplied with 50. 2 multiplied 50 is 100. So 1 is multiplied with 50. 1 multiplied 50 is 50. So 1/2 equal to 50/100. Now 50/100 is right as decimal form 0.50 because there is 2 zeros, so put a decimal point before these 2 digits. So 1/2 is equal to 0.50. Therefore, half is written as 0.5 or 0.50. Now next is quarter, and quarter is written in fraction as 1/4. To convert fraction into decimal form, denominator should be 10 or 100. Here is denominator 4 or denominator 10. It's not possible because 10 is not divisible by 4. So we cannot make denominator 10 for the fraction 1/4. Now we change denominator as 100. For 100, 100 is divisible by 4. Yes, 100 is divisible by 4 because 25 4s are 100. So here multiply 25 with numerator and 25 with denominator. 25 1s are 25 and 25 4s are 100. Now denominator is 100. So 1/4 is equal to 25/100. 25/100 is equivalent fraction of 1/4. 25/100 write as 0.25 in decimal form. Here is 2 zeros, so put a point before these 2 digits. That is 0.25. So 1/4 is equal to 0.25. Next, 3/4, and 3/4 written in fraction as 3/4. Now here 4 is denominator and 3 is numerator. Now convert this denominator as 100. For 100, 4 multiplied with 25. So 3 also multiplied with 25. 25 3s are 75 and 25 4s are 100. Now denominator is 100. So 75 write in decimal form is 0.75. So 3/4 is equal to 3/4 and 3/4 in decimal form write 0.75. Here is some fractions written as decimal form. See, first one, 1/2. 1/2 written as fraction 1/2. Now 1/2 written as decimal form. 1 write as it is and half means half is equal to in decimal form we write as 0.50, and 0.50 is also equal to 0.5. So, at the place of half in decimal form we write 0.50 and 1 as it is. So, 1 and a half is equal to 1.50 and 1.50 is equal to 1.5. Now the next one, 1 and a quarter. Now quarter, write in decimal form, 1 upon 4 is equal to, already I explained, that is 0.25. So 1 and 1 upon 4 is equal to 1, write as it is, and 1 upon 4 means in decimal form 0.25. So here 1.25. Now next one, 1 and 3 quarter. Now 1 and 3 quarter in fraction 1 and 3 upon 4. Now 3 upon 4 in decimal 0.75. So 1 and 3 upon 4 is equal to 1 as it is, and 3 upon 4 in decimal 0.75. So 1 and 3 upon 4 is equal to 1.75. Now the next one, 12 and a half. So here 12 and half in fraction. Now in decimal form, 12 write as it is, and half means 0.50. So here 12.50, and 12.50 is also written as 12.5. Next, 12 and a quarter. Now 12 write 12 as it is, and quarter is 1 upon 4. So in fraction 12 and 1 upon 4. Now this 12 1 upon 4 write in decimal form. 12 write as it is, and 1 upon 4 means 0.25. So here 12.25. Next, 12 and 3 quarter. 12 and 3 quarter is equal to 12 write as it is, and 3 quarter means 3 upon 4. So 12 and 3 upon 4 is a fraction. Now write in decimal form. First 12 write as it is, and 3 upon 4 is equal to 0.75. So the answer is 12.75. 12 and 3 quarter is equal to 12.75. Now we will solve the questions of problem set 40. First write following fractions as decimal fraction. First one, 2 and a half. And 2 and a half in fraction 2 and 1 upon 2. And now 2 and 1 upon 2 write in decimal form. So 2 and 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 write as it is, and 1 upon 2 means 0.50. So 2 and 1 upon 2 is equal to 2.50, and 2.50 is equal to 2.5. So answer is 2.5. Second one, 2 and a quarter. Now in answer 2 and a quarter, write in fraction 2 and 1 upon 4. Now in decimal form 2 write as it is, and 1 upon 4 is equal to 0.25. So 2 and 1 upon 4 is equal to 2.25. Now third one, 2 and a 3 quarter. 2 and 3 quarter means 3 upon 4. Now in decimal 2 write as it is, and 3 upon 4 means 0.75. So 2 and 3 upon 4 is equal to 2.75. Next one, fourth one, 10 and a half. 10 and a half, 10 and half means 1 upon 2. Now in decimal 10 write as it is, and 1 upon 2 means 0.50. It is also write as 10.5. So 10 and 1 upon 2 in decimal form 10.5. Fifth one, 14 and 3 quarters. 14 and 3 quarters it means 3 upon 4. Now in decimal form, 14 write as it is, and 3 upon 4 means 0.75. So 14 and 3 quarters is equal to 14.75. Now next, sixth one, 16 and a quarter. So in answer, first write 16 and quarter means 1 upon 4. So in fraction, now 16 and 1 upon 4. Now in decimal form, 16 write as it is, and 1 upon 4 means 0.25. So 16 and a quarter is equal to 16.25. Seventh one, 28 and a half. Write 28 and half, right, 1 upon 2. So 28 and 1 upon 2. Now write in decimal, 28 and half write में 50. You can also write 28.5. So 20 and half is equal to 28.5. I hope all of you understood today's topic. Keep practicing. Thank you.